Hello friends, good evening. Welcome you all to my channel. Today topic is episode 3 and lower back pain, and there we are going to describe about exercise for lumbar disc herniation or sciatica or slip disc. This is the most common question we face day to day our practice, that what type of exercise we should do during this type of painful condition, lumbar disc herniation or slip disc. Myself, Dr. Shomir Bosak, interventional pain physician, and today I am going to describe related all the exercise, as these are all available in internet. Though I am describing this because of our patients are demanding this type of video. Now, as we know, during the condition of slip disc material generally got compress the nerve structure either unilateral or bilaterally. That results in painful condition. We cannot flex our body. So few exercise we should not do during this condition. As generally with conservative treatment from us, it is seen that almost 66% condition got resolved within 1 year of treatment. And that is also we described in previous episode that auto resorption of lumbar disc herniation does. In this condition, we have to be vigilant about our conservative treatment. Few of the conservative treatment as already described, that ergonomic instruction, that is the move your body accordingly to your disease, so that disease further does not progress and it can be controlled. This is also term, there is cognitive behavior therapy, education of the counseling with the help of instruction of home based exercise. These are the three main things. And then comes to the active physiotherapy. There are different names: graded exposure exercise, direction specific, isometric, low load. So coming to the exercise section, don't move your body like this. When lifting some heavy object, don't flex your spine, rather straight your spine and flex the knee joint gradually. First be ready for the lift up, then flex your knee joint without flexing your lower back or spine, then lift the heavy object in this posture, then place the heavy object from one place to another place. Generally, next is avoid sit up if this condition creates or increase your pain condition, increase your pain due to lower lumbar disc herniation. Avoid sit up position. Also, sometimes it is seen that leg raise exercise generally cause this painful symptom to aggravate. You may avoid this if this condition increase your pain. Next is avoid squatting position if this also increase your painful condition. Avoid touching the toe by flexing your body, flexing your spine, if this increase your lumbar disc herniation pain. There is by flexing your spine, flexing your knee, but here you are lifting heavy workload. So deadlifting should be avoided in the initial few months of acute or subacute phase of lumbar disc herniation. But in chronic case, you may gradually lift some weight. Avoid the leg press. This is type of also push up. Avoid this. This is also flexion type of posture. Any type of posture This cause flexion of the spine, excessive sitting, excessive bending forward, lifting heavy weight, heavy workload, picking up things in poor form from the ground, or sleeping with spine in a flex position. Avoid this. With this avoidance, your general pain condition will generally improve. It is seen that from the study. Also, it is present in the study that only improving your ergonomics may relieve your back pain related problem. Then if you need to do exercise, you may do this type of exercise. What type of exercise? First, lie down and do progressive muscle relaxation. This is a type of mind body performance strategy. You gradually feel about your every parts of your body and relax that part. Generally it is shown in the picture that right foot, right leg, left foot, left leg, buttocks, stomach, chest. You gradually feel every parts of your body: neck, forehead, shoulder, arms, hand. By this way, about 5 to 10 minutes you take to generally relax your body. This is improve your stress, anxiety related problem. Progressive muscle relaxation is a very helpful exercise nowadays day. This is a technology driven world. Then few exercise you should not do and few exercise you should do. You may do partial stomach crunch. Just lift your head, and by this position, by flexing your knee and by put your arm behind your neck, and you may avoid touching the toe exercise as shown in the right side. This may relieve your back pain, also improve your muscle strength in the back muscles, and the abdominal muscles strength is improved. Hamstring muscle strength improved by doing hamstring stretch, by lying down with a towel and at your hand. You may do this type of hamstring stretch. Generally avoid push up as shown at the right side. Avoid push up. You may look for hamstring stretch. Next come glute bridge. Lie down in supine position, flex your knee and lift your buttock from the ground. Hold this posture. Every exercise do 5 to 10 times and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then flex your knee and with outstretch your hand, then gradually bend the flexed knee to each side. This is knee to side stretch. You may do this exercise also 5 to 10 times and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Spine, supine spinal switch. And you may do this exercise to rotate your back and improve your back muscle strength. Supta Matsasana. Then do this both side. Next is wall sit. Generally, with flexing our spine may cause pain. So gradual spine flexion by supporting the wall. Generally do as much as you can and stop this when pain arises. Then again start with increasing timing. If gradually your time to wall sit will increase. Avoid the leg rise as it may cause your lumbar disc herniation or sciatica related pain increase. So this is one of my favorite exercise. This is the Superman exercise. Prone or prone, lie down with your abdomen, then take few breath and lie then lift your leg and body from the only keeping your abdomen at the touching the ground, and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds and do this for 5 to 10 times. It will improve your back muscle strength and relieve your back pain related problem. You may do cat and camel stretch. First position, the left side is the cat and right side is camel. Your spine generally extended in the first position, and left side and right side during exhalation your spine is got flexed. So this cat and camel stretch also very good for back pain related issue, lumbar disc herniation. If is if this increase your pain, then you may avoid this. Next come swimming pose position, also in prone position, lying down with the abdomen, and you may do swimming pose position. So few exercise is in the supine position and few exercise is in the prone position. Next is back extension. Also in prone position, lie down and lift your front part body and supporting the elbow, then supporting your arm, supporting your hand. So hold this position. This is very good exercise, and this is extend your back and back muscle with strength is regained. Gradually you have to do all this exercise. And this back extension or cobra pose, Bhujangasana, is beneficial for the spine, for chest, lung, and open your heart, lung. This is also other benefit there. This exercise you may do by first kneel down and then keeping your body load over your hand and knee, then gradually extend one leg behind and hold this position for few seconds and do this for few times, generally 5 to 10 times, and do this in both legs gradually. Another exercise is elbow plank, full body in straight line, don't raise your hip. It may not be so helpful if you do like your raised hip. Elbow plank is very good exercise to increase your abdominal muscle strength, core muscle, or improve your back muscle strength. How to do correct elbow plank position? Keep chest lift, neck straight and back straight, and place your weight on the palm and the toe. All other than this all exercise, you may do slight weight lifting, but load should not be more than more. This is a light or like workload exercise. You may do aerobic like jogging, swimming, all exercise. Don't lie down in your body and lie down all over the day due to back pain related problem. You should do some exercise. Don't lie down only. Do something. Something is better than nothing. Okay, this is a back pain 2020 year, global year, and September is a pain awareness month. Feel free to contact, and please like and share the video, and we will meet in the next episode with another treatment option. Thank you. Bye bye.